What's going on, everybody? It's me, Tryman2024. Welcome back to another reaction video. This reaction video is to KSIOlajidebt plays White Noise by JJ Olatunji. So, yes, guys, I never reacted to this video ever a while ago. And I'm on the screen recorder now. And I delete that here. Hang on a second, I have to delete something. Sorry. There you go. Let's get started in 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, hang on a second. I'm on Bluetooth.
If you have a passion for it, pursue it. I just kind of went for it, and I'm here now.
With over 68,000 average annual auto technician job openings nationwide, now's a great time to pursue a career. Visit UT.
Hey guys, we are playing this White Noise game. A game
White Noise.
Really scary, blah blah blah. But this time, ladies and gentlemen, Deji is playing. I'm not playing. I'm commentating. I'm going to be the commentator saying what's happening. Instead, I'm going to be watching, and Deji will be playing. Now, you saw what he was like in the corridor. You saw what he was like in every single scary game that we've done. So, this, my friends, is going to be amazing. Come on. I don't know if they can see us. They probably can't. No! What? You broke the freaking controller. Really? Really? I thought you weren't scared. I don't even know what to do for. Why are you exiting?
He's exiting out of the game.
Are you serious? Did you?
What are you doing?
Really? So you needed to back out the game to know that?
Yeah. You really need to?
What the volume
And it's back out of the game again. Okay.
What's wrong with you? Alright. I thought you were not a chicken. Alright. I thought you were a man. I thought you wanted to bring him anything. I ain't bringing anything. Is that smoke? I'm a black man. I ain't afraid. Look at me. I'm walking in the street. Just walking. I ain't afraid of no ghosts. I ain't afraid of no ghosts. I ain't afraid of no ghosts. Shut up. I ain't afraid of no ghosts. Well, come on. You're going to shut your mouth. Short my worth. Shut your mouth. Well, you have done amazing in finding those. Okay. What did you? Oh. He's found one, lads.
It's the first recorder.
He's exactly like Slender. Well, then you shouldn't be afraid then, right? Right?
It's probably Slender Man. Yeah.
Okay.
So what noise? Let me know in the comments if you Let me know in the comments if you played Slender and White Noise. I played Slender the Rival. So yeah. I quit playing them. Yeah. I played just a little horror games.
Why are you turning around? This weapon's behind. You fucking retarded. You're actually retarded. So I know where he is. Oh.
Sorry, alarm's going off. Continue on.
Brilliant idea.
And after Halloween is coming till 29 days.
Still walking in the fields.
I cannot wait till Halloween.
Sponsored, ladies and gentlemen, sponsored, and begins to continue his journey into the wilderness. Looks up into the beautiful sky. Doesn't even move. You can see a lot of stars as he does come in. It does not move. The stars. Ladies and gentlemen, the stars do not move.
Oh god.
Did you just punch yourself in the nose?
Punch yourself in the nose?
Did you just punch yourself? I went like that, but then my nose
something. Oh my!
You punched yourself in the nose.
Punch myself.
You punched yourself in the nose.
No, I didn't.
Really? Wow. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a phenomenon. He has punched himself in the nose over a scary game. I think he is probably one of the only men in the world to have done that. Wow. No, he was there. He was there.
Where is he? Where is he, fool? Shut your mouth.
Man.
Shut your mouth.
No, you do it all the time.
All right, fine. I'll do it one more time. You know it's blinking.
And there's a second
your
recorder.
flashlight's running out. The flashlight is running out.
So, what do I do? Do I do this?
Okay, yeah, because that sounds like a great idea.
Then shut up and let me play.
Okay.
Shut up,
So,
buddy.
your flashlight blinking. You know, you want to know why? Because you're too busy walking everywhere when you can run.
Oh, look, run.
Okay, you know how to run.
I want that one has teeth, you know?
Yeah, I know you.
Sculpture.
Yeah.
It has sculpture,
you
you know?
look for those tape recorders, you're going to turn around? Really? You're really going to do that? You're really going to turn around?
Don't do
I
that.
can't believe that.
Don't do that.
If this game is just like Slender, why are you looking
Yeah, it's
for
like
the
Slender.
Slender Man? The game isn't by the Slender Man.
I want to know where he is, so then I know to avoid that place.
Yeah.
Dickhead.
There you go.
I saw the goose.
No, you didn't see anything.
So you calling me blind?
You know what? I'm calling you retarded for not finding any of the
Retarded.
freaking tape recorders.
Do you know?
Oh, wow. And he died.
Well done.
6 minutes and 6 seconds.
Wow, it took you 6 minutes to find 2 tape recorders.
Yeah, 2 recorders.
You are pro. Wow. Why were you running over there? What's gonna protect you over there? Jesus Christ.
You play. I played mine.
No, you play again. And you play properly. You can pass it on when you find 4 tape recorders.
When I find 4.
Oh, yeah, them.
When I find 4.
Yes. Then you can pass it on. Oh, what? Now you're looking for the tape recorders? Freaking dick face. Let me get raped by a donkey.
Get rid of our donkey.
Yeah, it's gonna be one on the road. Most likely. Oh yeah, there was
It's gonna be one on the road. Avoids the road.
No. How can I go to look? Can I see anything? Special peanuts, man.
You gonna collect or what?
Yeah, there's a first recorder.
No pressure.
I am pressurizing.
You're pressurizing.
I'm just saying. Alright, we'll play.
Oh, God.
Christ, man.
What? Bring it, bitch!
Oh, really? You're gonna
And
die?
don't
You
look
know
at
it's
it.
just gonna teleport
Don't
you and
look
scare
at
you
it.
again.
Oh.
Nice. Well, you now know what it looks like. You're
Yeah,
seriously gonna just
you're
stare.
gonna look at it again.
You're seriously just gonna
The
stare.
second time.
Where can I go?
No, you run.
Run.
That's what we're
Run.
Oh my God, no, it's teleported.
Oh my god, you think I'm trying? Look at this.
Okay, good. Now you're moving away from him. See?
You don't help one bit, you know.
Yeah, I do. I give you
You better off just getting
I
lost.
give you guidance.
Give me guidance. Look, run.
Yeah. Which is what you do when something bad is about to happen. It's a black instinct. Come on. Run or stab. Saw me off.
Oh, forget this.
No.
I'm done.
What you mean you're done? You're still in the freaking field. You can't be done. You're stuck in here. You gotta look for the freaking tape recorders, which you're not doing. How many have you found? 0.
I only had
God.
one.
I mean, really?
He exited out of the game.
Okay. You know what? I'm freaking tired of you. Move.
Jack.
You're the worst player of this game. Jesus Christ. You're so bad. You're so bad at playing games. God's sake. Look at this. Easy peasy. Lemon squeezy.
JJ, it's there.
Yeah, because
JJ, it's there.
Oh, what? Where is that?
It's there.
You're not even staring at the TV screen.
There.
You're staring at the PC screen. What was that?
Wait,
What was that?
The first one.
What was that? What was that? I'm a pro? Okay.
Yeah, I got 2. You only got 1.
Okay. I'll get another one then. Ah! Shit!
Yeah, who's a bitch?
No.
You're a bitch.
Piss off! The controller started vibrating.
Play. No, because it started vibrating.
Yeah, okay. I didn't expect that.
You're used to that with your bum hole. Now play.
Yeah.
He wasn't. Behind you!
I want that his brother is like trying to scare him, but he gets mad.
Shut up, JJ. You're scared.
I'm not scared.
Oh, come on. Where's the other
Well,
one?
he's not scared
Find them.
anymore.
I'm looking.
Why are you looking?
Wait, what am I doing?
Why are you looking?
What am I doing?
Why are you
bitch?
looking?
I'm looking.
You're not meant to look.
What do you mean I'm not meant to look? Then how else am I meant to find the freaking tape recorders? Oh, light.
Well,
How about do I do this? Freaking retard. When I Ray Charles it. Oh my god. Ah!
Oh.
Come on, leave me alone. Jeez, I'm getting chills. What the hell?
even I'm not that scared.
No,
Who's
shut
a
up.
pussy now?
Yeah, because
Oh, JJ's a
because
pussy.
you went so
JJ's a
slowly.
pussy.
You didn't even look.
JJ's a pussy. Pussy. Pussy
Pussy.
for dinner.
Oh, well, I do actually.
It's one of those rocks.
What, inside the rocks?
Did I say inside the
Yeah. God, Jesus
So
Christ.
many
Like, what's the
flashes.
point? What is the point of me? Oh, okay. Cheers.
There's second quarter.
No! What the hell? Okay, he's there. Nice. This guy's an asshole, man. Why is he pestering me? What I do to you, mate? Just trying to get my tape recorders done, you see? Tape recorder, man. Trying to get my tape recorder.
Third one. That's number 3. Yeah, 3.
Suck it, you twat. Oh, look at me. Oh, look at me. I'm so good, huh? I got 2. Well, I got 3. It's suck it.
So you want your
Shut up.
You want your brother to suck your dick?
Yeah, oh,
Yeah,
gosh.
you can go back into this.
Is that
Yeah.
how messed
Oh,
up
look
is
at
that?
this. Incest. I'm hilarious.
That's not messed
I'm
up.
hilarious. Incest. I made an incest joke. Done.
Yeah, there's so many.
Well, this is fun walking
There's
in
one more
the
time.
forest with a broken flashlight. If only it was a flashlight. I'll be having so much more fun, to be
Yeah,
honest.
so much fun.
Gives you lightning speed.
That was funny. That was hilarious. That was hilarious.
And there's the 4th one, number 4. Oh, God. Oh, the nice toy gun he has.
Oh, it was a bad idea to
And
go
he's
in
even
here.
BB
Shit.
gun. I
Really
think.
bad idea to go in here. Shit. Oh, shut up.
Oh.
Okay. I'm screwed now. I can't see.
Oh, you can't see anything. The 5th one is there.
Please don't say that. Okay, well,
No, you didn't.
don't want that.
You didn't even check.
Well,
And
that was my check.
it's not there.
Guess it?
The 5th one's not there.
Oh, dead end. Okay, well, let's hopefully go this way. Oh, shit!
Oh.
Motherfucking nigger!
Oh, God.
Okay, I'll go the opposite way then.
What did you say the end was?
I don't know why.
Run.
Bitch. Oh, you know what? I can check this again.
Let me
Nice.
check this one again, yeah.
What be flashes there?
Oh.
Shit!
The second time already.
Thank you.
Second time.
Yes! Do I?
No. Okay, never mind.
The only
You found this game?
used to have a 5 sim. I must have a
5.
5 sim. My life.
Alright. That'll be it for a video for now. my favorite part has to be where that where his brother Deji trying to scare KSI, real name JJ. He's trying to scare him, but JJ gets mad. But you know, this is my favorite part of it. So anyways, guys, hope you all enjoyed the video here. So like, subscribe, comment. See you next video. Don't forget to make YouTube great again. Love you. Have a great day. And see you next time. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.